Welcome. Thank you for watching this video presented by CostStoreFixtures. Questions should be emailed to CostStoreFixtures@outlook.com. This application uses the Microsoft Excel spreadsheet program. Microsoft and Excel are trademarks and property of Microsoft Corporation. A Microsoft Corporation license is required to use the Excel program. The instruction example covers foundation principles and demonstrates the process by calculating the cost of a pedestal fixture step by step. Each instruction example consists of a macro button and a cell comment. To read the text of the macro before clicking the button, hover over the cell to the right of the button and the text of the macro is displayed. Complete the instruction example to develop an understanding and proficiency at preparing a cost workup. The instructions example is on the instruction sheet. The instruction sheet is the window currently displayed. The example starts at row 157. To get to the example, click the fourth button labeled B.000 Example Cost Workup Pedestal. The focus of step 1 of the 3 steps is on the principles of this process and how to enter dimensions on the single project dimensions sheet. Example item 1.1.30 Elevation Sheet. The purpose of the elevation sheets is to provide a visual method to find specific dimension cells on the project dimension sheet. Dimensions are entered on the project dimension sheet. The project dimension sheet table has 75 columns and 675 rows. Even knowing the table layout, it is difficult for new users to find the correct cell locations. Macro buttons on the elevation sheets are laid out to imitate components or parts. The macros allow the user to select the feature that requires dimensions by clicking the feature button for the correct section. Dimensions are not entered on elevation sheets. There is only one set of dimensions used in this application. If the same feature is identified on a button on any elevation sheet, it refers to the same cells on the project dimension sheet. This example 1.1.30 is completed. Continue the instructions example by clicking item 1.1.31.